to the nothing edge. There ain't nothing that I need.
The whole house because the address is up there. But anyway, there's the front of the house. And let's go to the door. Come in. And this would be the living room. This is just an empty house tour, everyone. So here we go. Then you come in here and there's the dining room. Actually, I want to show you like further back. So like, look at that. Oh wait, hold on. There we go. So yeah, so you have the living room as you walk into the door, and then the dining room, and then keep going, and there's the kitchen. So yeah, the kitchen is all right here. And I'll show you the back room later, the sunroom in just a second. So you come from the kitchen all the way into here, and you got your bathroom there, but let's go this way first. And so you got the laundry room that is right here. And then you have the master bedroom in here. And then you also have the closet over here. Pretty big closet. Okay, then you're gonna come back in here. And we just saw the laundry room. And here we have the bathroom. So here's like your little, hello. So there's like the sink and the toilet and the shower, of course. And the towel rack. Oh, I never even noticed that. Look at me learning new things about the house. Okay, and then you come over here. And this is the bedroom, the second bedroom. And the closet is right there. Eventually we're gonna like change these doors, because I don't know if I don't know if I really like that, but yeah, there's the closet. And then you have the bedroom, and then you come back over here. There's Matthew, say hi. Hi. And then you come back into the living room, where it gets really echoey. But yeah, so there's the whole house pretty much. Oh yeah, let me show you the sunroom. Let's go in here. We're gonna follow Matthew over here. So then, yeah, you come back here. Let me unlock it, and you have, let me get the phone. You have the sunroom. Now I know what you're thinking. Eventually we're gonna change the floor. This is just what it is for now. But yeah, it has some cracks. We're gonna like fix those. But I have very big plans for this room. It's the sunroom, so I'm super excited for that. And we're also gonna change this door. The sunroom actually looks kind of ghetto, but we're gonna fix it later on. So also we live next to a highway now, so sorry for the noise. But this is the backyard. So here's the back of the house. I don't mind showing you that because there's no address or anything. But yeah, there's the backyard. We have a clothesline. Probably not gonna use it, maybe, I'm not sure. But we're thinking of like the chicken pen going here. We wish it would like fit in there, but it's too small of a gap. So yeah, it's probably gonna go like right here. And then if we ever do use a clothesline, we have like the rest of that because it's like really long. And then this is like the garage. It's pretty nice. So you open, well, maybe. There we go. Dang. All right, so then you open this, and I don't think that has water. Yeah, no water hookups there. So yeah, we have a lot to do with the garage. We need to fix it up a lot more. But for now, this is what we have. I can't wait to bring you guys along and show you the garage and like what we do with it and fix it up. Because right now it's kind of, you know, just the garage. But we're gonna get it fixed. We're gonna get it all fixed up. Oh, also, it has electric, so that's pretty nice. Let me get my hand out of the way. Also, sorry if the quality is bad of the video. I'm like filming with my phone. So yeah, there is the house tour. Empty house tour. There will be an updated house tour whenever it is all finished and completely decorated and everything. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.